Lesson: Penetration testing for blockchain governance frameworks. Penetration testing for blockchain governance frameworks is a critical component in ensuring the security and integrity of blockchain systems, which are increasingly becoming central to various applications, from cryptocurrencies to supply chain management. The unique decentralized and immutable nature of blockchain technology presents both new opportunities and challenges for governance and compliance. Given the heightened importance of security in these frameworks, it is imperative to adopt robust penetration testing methodologies tailored specifically to blockchain environments. Penetration testing, or ethical hacking, is the practice of testing a computer system, network, or web application to find security vulnerabilities that an attacker could exploit. In the context of blockchain governance frameworks, penetration testing involves assessing the security of smart contracts, consensus mechanisms, and other components integral to the blockchain infrastructure. This approach is essential to identify potential vulnerabilities that could compromise the system's integrity or lead to unauthorized access. One practical tool for penetration testing in blockchain systems is MythX, a security analysis service for Ethereum smart contracts. MythX uses advanced symbolic analysis and fuzzing techniques to detect vulnerabilities such as reentrancy, integer overflows, and gas limit issues, which are common in smart contracts. By integrating MythX into the development lifecycle, organizations can automatically scan their smart contracts before deployment, ensuring that vulnerabilities are addressed proactively. In addition to tools like MythX, frameworks such as the Open Web Application Security Project provide comprehensive guidelines and methodologies for conducting penetration tests. While OWASP is traditionally associated with web application security, its principles can be adapted to blockchain environments. For instance, OWASP's focus on input validation and error handling is directly applicable to smart contracts, which often suffer from vulnerabilities due to improper handling of user inputs. By adhering to OWASP guidelines, penetration testers can systematically assess blockchain applications for security weaknesses. A practical step-by-step approach to penetration testing in blockchain governance frameworks begins with reconnaissance, where testers gather information about the blockchain network, including its nodes, smart contracts, and consensus mechanisms. This phase is crucial for understanding the attack surface and potential entry points for an attacker. Next, testers perform a vulnerability analysis, utilizing tools like MythX and manual code reviews to identify security flaws in smart contracts and other components. Following the vulnerability analysis, penetration testers conduct exploitation, where they attempt to exploit identified vulnerabilities to assess their impact. For example, testers might simulate a reentrancy attack on a smart contract to determine if funds can be siphoned off without detection. This phase provides valuable insights into the real-world implications of the vulnerabilities discovered. After exploitation, the next step is post-exploitation, where testers evaluate the persistence of their access and the potential for lateral movement within the blockchain network. This phase helps identify additional security weaknesses that may not be immediately apparent. Finally, testers compile their findings into a comprehensive report detailing the vulnerabilities discovered, their potential impact, and recommendations for remediation. A real-world example illustrating the importance of penetration testing in blockchain governance is the infamous DAO hack of 2016. The Decentralized Autonomous Organization was an early attempt at implementing a blockchain-based governance framework, allowing investors to make decisions collectively. However, a vulnerability in the DAO's smart contract code allowed an attacker to drain approximately $60 million worth of Ether. This incident highlights the critical need for thorough penetration testing to identify and mitigate vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Statistics further underscore the importance of security in blockchain systems. According to a report by CipherTrace, cryptocurrency thefts, scams, and frauds totaled $1.9 billion in 2020 alone. While not all of these incidents are directly related to vulnerabilities in blockchain governance frameworks, they emphasize the broader security challenges facing the industry. Penetration testing is a proactive measure that can help reduce these risks by identifying and addressing vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. To enhance proficiency in penetration testing for blockchain governance frameworks, professionals can leverage additional resources such as the Blockchain Security Testing Guide, which provides detailed methodologies and best practices for assessing blockchain applications. This guide offers insights into various testing techniques, including static and dynamic analysis, and emphasizes the importance of understanding the underlying blockchain protocols and consensus algorithms. Furthermore, collaboration between penetration testers and blockchain developers is essential for effective security testing. By fostering a culture of security awareness and integrating penetration testing into the development lifecycle, organizations can ensure that security is considered at every stage of the blockchain application development process. This collaborative approach helps identify potential security weaknesses early on, reducing the likelihood of costly security breaches post-deployment. In conclusion, penetration testing for blockchain governance frameworks is an indispensable practice for ensuring the security and integrity of blockchain systems. By utilizing practical tools like MythX and adhering to established frameworks such as OWASP, professionals can conduct thorough security assessments tailored to the unique challenges of blockchain environments. Real-world examples and statistics underscore the importance of this practice, highlighting the potential financial and reputational risks of inadequate security measures. By adopting a comprehensive approach to penetration testing, organizations can proactively address vulnerabilities, enhance security, and foster trust in their blockchain governance frameworks.